Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about B2b lead generation. Yes, this is a practical project for B2B lead generation who is really want to learn B2B lead generation. So first of all, we want to go Fiverr and some other marketplace to check how many people selling these kinds of service, and after learning how can we sell the service and earn money easily. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I am going to the market Fiverr, and I want to search here B2B lead generation. Okay, so here it is, and I want to see how many people or how many service selling these kinds of service here. So here is the list. 15,000 results is showing here. So I want to check some profile from here. They are working and how much they are earning actually using the B2B lead generation skill. Okay, so here is the first one, and I'm just seeing here 7 order in queue. I have seen here just 187 rating and 7 order in queue. The basic price is $10 for 50 genuine and relevant leads, and the standard is, I want to click here, and 100, and the premium is 200. So if I count the average selling price is almost 100. Okay, so already done lots of projects. I want to just count 200 because most of the client don't want to share their review here. So maybe this profile owner done lots of project, but I want to count 200. Okay, so I want to check. So here it is, I want to count 200, and the average selling price is $100. So almost $20,000 earned from this gig. So this is really interesting, and after learning the B2B lead generation process, I hope you can easily sell your service or Fiverr or some other marketplace. So I want to go the exact point, our live project. So here is our project, B2B lead generation project. Hello, I need top 50 home cleaning company info from USA. So this is the job. Basically, I need the following information: company name, website URL, phone number, email, and social media profile. So how can we collect these kinds of lead from the web? So this is very easy, I think, if you know the process. First of all, I want to ready a Excel sheet or Google sheet. For the best presentation, I want to put color for the heading section. So I want to put this color. I want to change another color here. Okay, so I want to do just something like that. Okay, our Excel sheet is now ready. So how can we collect the information from the web? Okay, so I want to go our another browser, and we can collect the information lots of way. So I want to explain. Search on Google top 50 home cleaning company in USA, and I want to hit enter. So after that, you will see these kinds of information like some sponsored, and after that, top 50 biggest cleaning company in USA. You can open this, and the another process is you should go to the Google map area, and I want to click here, and after that you just search with your keywords like home cleaning company in USA, and I hope that you will get the information easily. And the another way is yelp.com. Yes, some business listing website. You can easily find your targeted leads here. So I have already searched here home cleaning New York. So you can search for the USA or some other cities, and after that you will see top 10 best home cleaning near New York, and after that you will go the other cities, and definitely you can easily collect the information. So I'm going to collect one information from here. I want to open, and also I want to open this one. So after that you just scrolling and open step by step all the companies from here, and after that just collect the information. So I want to collect the company name. So this is the company name, cleaning service, and I'm going to the Excel sheet to put the information. So this one, and I want to collect the company website. So I'm looking for the website, and this one. Okay, just wait for a few seconds, and I hope you will easily get the information. Okay, this one, the website. I want to copy and I want to paste here. So now need emails, phone number, and social media link. Okay, so where we will get the information, just go to the website, and after that you will see the information a little below or contact area. So I want to scroll down, and here it is, the website, the social media. You can easily collect the information, most of the information from the website. If you not, you should go to the Facebook page, and after that you will see all the information is there. Okay, so like address, phone number, email, website, and a lot of things. So I think this video is very helpful for you. If you think this video is very helpful for you, please like this.